The Guardian. The Guardian. Middle East crisis live, Trump warns of fresh Iran strikes if talks fail, Lebanon and Israel agree to meet in U.S. Calls mount for California governor candidate Eric Swalwell to quit after multiple women accuse him of sexual assault, as it happened. Today. Here are the latest global headlines today, simple and clear. Globe showing Europe-Africa 1. Middle East crisis intensifies. U.S.-Iran ceasefire talks starting in Islamabad, Pakistan. The Guardian. Former U.S. President Donald Trump warns of new strikes if talks fail. The Guardian. Israel continues attacks in Lebanon, Hezbollah fires rockets in response. The Guardian +1. Global concern rising over oil supply and regional war. Oil drum 2. Oil prices surge and global economy under pressure. Oil prices crossed $110 per barrel due to war tensions. The Guardian. IMF and World Bank warn of slow growth plus rising inflation worldwide. The Guardian. United States 3. Major U.S. political controversy. Congressman Eric Swalwell faces serious assault allegations. The Guardian. Multiple leaders demand his resignation, campaign collapsing. Balance scale 4. U.S.-Iran ceasefire still uncertain. White House says war is near end, but confusion over deal remains. Reuters. Israel's continued strikes may break the fragile ceasefire. Globe showing Europe-Africa 5. Other important global updates. Lebanon and Israel to hold peace talks in Washington next week. www.ndtv.com. Brazil and U.S. sign deal to fight weapons and drug trafficking. Al Jazeera. Legal case filed against Prince Harry by African charity. www.ndtv.com. Pakistan 6. Pakistan in global spotlight. Pakistan hosting high-level U.S.-Iran talks, becoming key diplomatic center. YouTube. White heavy checkmark summary. Today's world news is dominated by the Middle East conflict, U.S.-Iran talks, rising oil prices, and political tensions in the U.S. The situation is sensitive and could impact the global economy and security.